Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your problem. So if just Wi-Fi, no internet connection on your iPhone, so how you can also fix it. So first thing, just open the settings, just open Wi-Fi here, and if you see here no internet access, so you just need try to restore your Wi-Fi router, so sometimes it also helps. And if you still have this error, so you can also just try to turn off Wi-Fi and turn on again. Also you can try to tap here on this network and just choose forget this network and just try to connect to this network again, so by typing password to network. So after, just go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second, and just power your phone again. So just simply restore your phone. And if it doesn't happen, if you still have this error, so just try to go to the general again, just open software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.